Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the battery. Please make sure the machine is turned off when replacing the battery to avoid accidents. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the outer shell. Use a soldering iron to disconnect the battery cables. Disconnect in order. The first red line, the second black line, the third blue line. Connect the wires in order. Connect the first black wire. Connect the second blue wire. Connect the third red wire. Place the new battery in the battery compartment. Make sure the positive and negative terminals on the battery match the connectors. Recovery circuit board. Install the housing in the correct direction and position. Tighten the screws or retaining ring. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.